Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to fix Facebook Ads Manager showing zero result. Make sure to watch until the end, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Meta Ads Manager on your Android phone, and this is the most common problem. Alright, so tap the filter icon at the top, set the date range to lifetime or a wider date range. Make sure you selected the right campaign, ad set, or ad. Wrong filter, no showing. Alright, so another way is to open your Google Play Store, search for Meta Ads Manager, tap Update if available. Old version can sometimes cause display errors or missing data. And another thing to do is check if your ad is active, approved, has a budget, and audience set correctly. If your ad isn't running or didn't spend, it will show zero result. So that's it. Now you know how to fix Facebook Ads Manager showing zero result. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you.